Yeah, man. British. Donny British, no? Not sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, left that one there, you know? Yeah, man.
Senorita, let me be your boyfriend.
Yeah.
You can come to my casa.
Yeah.
We can start a familia.
For real.
Have you ever touched a rasta?
Never touch it.
Senorita, let me be your boyfriend. You can come to my casa.
Yeah.
We can start a familia.
Yes.
Have you ever touched a rasta? Girl, you make me want you.
Yeah.
The way you rotate your waist.
Yeah.
Your lips make me want your face. Baby, me coulda never pass the place. Under me lick a girl. So you really looking thick a girl. You really looking fit a girl. Want stick you with that dick a girl. Senorita, let me be your boyfriend. You can come to my casa. We can start a familia. Have you ever touched a rasta? Senorita, let me be your boyfriend. You can come to my casa. We can start a familia. Have you ever touched a rasta?
Get girl, who no does stress. When Ross landing on the nest, love and happiness. Bedroom champion Ross make you sweat. Hybrid me smoke, jump on a jet. Weed hit me fast on 5G internet. Money a female. Mailing merch to Chicago address. If me broke, me have no time, no second. Like my Rolex went missing from my left hand. Miss Jane, man, I buy, man, no time for stocks. SB, pop the box, spaceship with that. Hey, press on the other side, hang with that. When you make the drop, 12-5 from the pops. Run off with the hounds, him lick a life without it out. And then the British, I'm not there.
Hey man, what is up? What is up? Man, it's your boy Donny to the British. Man, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Don't you hate when you're driving and then people drive out like as you start approaching and then they come out on the road and start driving slow? Sometimes I wish my truck had a crash bar on it. Yeah, sometimes I wish my truck had a crash bar on it. Anyway, man, I'm here with my baby mother. Man, we celebrating 1 year anniversary, man. How you feeling? 1 year. I met you June 25th of last year. Damn. Yeah, man. Isn't that crazy? Who would have thought? I would have thought. Anything I see, I want to get. But anyway, man, I just want to say, man, happy anniversary. Yeah, I had to drive hours to come see my baby. Yeah. And we bought each other gifts. You got me some great gifts. And I didn't know that she bought me a gift. I bought her a gift because my love language is giving. So I was like, oh shit, I need to go get my baby a gift. So, you know, I went gift shopping yesterday. I bought her some stuff. I bought her stuff that I know that she would like. Right? And she was all mad at me because she was like, it's our anniversary. I haven't heard anything from you. You know? And I was like, well, I'm busy. I was like an asshole. And she was like, she just got quiet. I remember that. You didn't say shit. And then she tried to hang up because it was FaceTime. That fucking FaceTime wasn't hanging up. And I saw that she couldn't hang up. And I was like, oh yeah. All right, well, I'm not hanging up. Yeah. So now we're here and we're heading to the Jamaican spot that we found because their food is pretty damn good. I'm going in for the curry chicken with the oxtail gravy. Babe's going in for the curry chicken with the beef patty on the side. Yeah, and I'm already I'm on the runts, grab a leaf, You know, I won't tell you what runs is. You want to know what runs is, you go goddamn do your research. And then I'm under the Jamaican rum mine. The Jamaican rum mine. Hell yeah. Yeah. And then my dreads, if you notice, it's pink. Represent my daughter. You get me? And you don't know my girl with the pink off-white. You know how that goes. The pink off-white out here. Bro, I could rock the pink off-white and still look flyer than most you niggas and you bitches. You know? I wanna look flyer than no bitches. These men nowadays, man, these men crazy, man. These men in competition with women. What has the world gone to, man? I look better than all you niggas, though. But yo, I just wanna say, man, if you're in a relationship and that shit ain't really going out smooth, man, you need to either leave the relationship or focus on yourself until the relationship fall apart. And I'm sure there's someone out there for you. And what I've found, that every relationship I've been, the next relationship I go into, there's something that's better than the last relationship. And that's what you want. Because if every relationship you go into, the shit is the same shit, the problem isn't the person, the other significant other. The problem is you. You get what I'm saying? Like, if every time you go into this, in a relationship, a different relationship, and the same course of action keep taking place, then the problem is you. Now, I'm just saying that, you know, a lot of people out there, they get depressed when they're in a relationship and it doesn't go how they wanted it to go. And I want to say, man, name a time in your life where you have planned something and it went exactly how you planned. Like your intention was executed exactly how you had it. Man, there's nothing in life. Nothing in life. You'll set an alarm clock for 6:30 to get to work at 8 o'clock. And you'll wake up 6:15 and still fucking get to work late at 8:15. That's just life. That's just life. You know what I mean? So you gotta look into yourself as an individual. You know what I mean? A lot of people go into relationship and they try to find their happiness in the next person. Like, my girlfriend now didn't bring happiness to me. You know, I was already an happy person. You know, I was already excited about life. But what my girlfriend brought to me was peace. You get what I'm saying? And whoever I was with before that, they brought something different to the table. Like, if you ask them what's the story behind our relationship, I'm sure it's gonna be a whole different story. And if you ask any one of my ex-girlfriends or ex-partners about my life, it's always gonna be different, because every situation and everybody is different, and every path in your life is different. Like, 10 years before this, I wasn't thinking how I'm thinking now. 10 years before this, my goals weren't the same now. You know what I mean? 10 years before this, my career goals were the same. You know, where I'm at in life is the kind of goal that I have, but where I'm at in life and how I got here wasn't the exact plan that I have. You know what I mean? And I just gotta glad that my plan worked out great. You know what I mean? Where I'm like a software engineer. Not only am I a software engineer, because a lot of people out there, they're writing, they say they're developers and coders and this, that. They're just average people. They're nothing great. They're not doing anything special at work. You know, they're what you call those doers. You know, you give them projects and they get it done. They don't have any influence.
Get the fuck over.
Yeah, personal. Okay, there we go. My girlfriend is a big bully driver, bro. She's like me. My kid gonna be my kid gonna be Quicksilver, bro. Yeah. You putting pressure on this guy too? Pressure him, bro. Pressure him, bro. Look how fast. My girlfriend is going well over 10 miles per hour. But yeah, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta plan your life out, man. But you can get to the goal, but the steps to get there it's not always what you have strategized. It's not always the way you intend, you know? And make sure you're happy, man. A partner is supposed to enhance the situation. A girlfriend, having a girlfriend is like jewelry. You get what I'm saying? You're supposed to be okay looking before you put jewelry on. Like, you shouldn't have to have on jewelry to be good looking. You know what I mean? Having a relationship, you're supposed to be okay out of a relationship, and then having the relationship is supposed to enhance the situation, you know? So for my girlfriend, for example, my girlfriend before me was in the medical field, and after me is no longer in the medical field. She's now a full housewife at age 24 and never have to go back to work. You know what I mean? And what did she get to deserve? Why she deserved that? She caught me at a point in life where A, I could afford to do that, and B, that's where I'm at in life. That's where I want to be. I want to have myself, my housewife, my trophy wife, if you want to call it that, and at the same time, my children, my kids. You get what I'm saying? And raise my family and create a legacy and die, and know my family is here running shit, doing what they're doing, while I'm probably reincarnated in China as a mosquito. You know what I mean? So that's just life, man. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get to this food, bro, and I kind of want to drink my rum and enjoy my runs, and this video thing ain't for that, and I'm not gonna do it on camera, because I realize, man, everybody these days is fucking smoking on camera, drinking on camera. You know what I mean? And maybe it's like life, you know, when you buy like a Range Rover, you never seen like a lot of Range Rover around until you buy one. You're like, oh, that's a Range Rover. I've never seen that one. Oh, them bitches following me, because that's what's happening. But yeah, I just feel like a lot of people, like, I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I won't smoke and drink on camera, but I'm not just gonna be smoking and drinking on camera to be cool, because I see a lot of people doing that now, and I feel like they're following me, but that's not the case, because I only have 50 subscribers. So there's no way they're seeing me to follow me. But I just don't want to be a part of the trend. You know what I mean? Like, I was wearing Burberry before everyone was populating the fucking Burberry store. And that's why I have these fly Burberry pieces, and everybody have these new pieces with the TB. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So, Anyway, man, it's your boy Donny British, man. Kick back booling in the Range Rover with my baby. You know what I mean? Her fine ass. So I'll catch up with you guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you're not retarded, then you know what I'm saying. It's your boy Donny British. I'll catch up with you, man. Take care.
Yeah. Live life right. Oh, I live my life clean. Live it clean. Oh, I live